Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at Pandas. So alright, we've gotten pretty good at taking in and manipulating and maybe even starting to graph a little bit. So alright, we're going to pick up on where we left off after grouping by years, so we would then count and sum the number of births for each year in Hawaii. So, as always, if you are new here, thanks for joining us. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because this is what we do. We build one upon another. So we need to look at the describe method. So we have now this data frame, total birth year. Probably should have changed that to per year, but that is what it is. So okay, and so it groups by the year and then counts and totals each of the births and counts them up for us, which is absolutely awesome. Runs a sum method. So now this is a absolutely perfect example or use of the describe method, and it is a data frame method. So like always, birth year describe. Okay, so now let's go into it. So this confirms that this literally just counts the number of rows. So there's 108 occurrences from year 1910, I believe, 1910 through 2017. All right, then mean, the standard deviation, the min, the max, and now this is where this is cool. This is where the 25th percentile is, the 50th percentile, and the 75th percentile, and your standard deviation. So this can be, and this is a great example for that, so you can begin to look and grasp, and we're going to do something next time that's pretty cool of adding a row and doing a little bit of math. But this is a very powerful and very handy method to make sure that we knew about. I almost forgot about it, was going to move on, but this is a perfect data frame to do this with. Because if you just were to do this on the original, it'd look all kinds of weird. So alright, it just goes, get the right count, but then your min, and then if you remember, it has each line. So your minimum is 5, and that was for each name, so that's not a very good example. But when we start to manipulate, these are the things that really start to shine of that. So we're just going to keep building on this real quick video today. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, the notification bell, because we got videos coming out all the time. And please don't hesitate to leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, because this is your channel and you're helping direct it. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.